Here we have the second car from the joint venture between Toyota and Maruti Suzuki, the Urban Cruiser, which is based on Vitara Brezza. Hello and welcome to another video of the long term. Recently, Maruti came up with the all-new Vitara Brezza 2020, which has got certain cosmetic changes along with a new BS6 engine. Previously, you had observed as to how identical Glanza was with Baleno except for rebadging. But this time around, Toyota has definitely done something to keep the Urban Cruiser a bit too different. Apart from front end, the remaining car remains identical, and definitely the front end is looking very attractive thanks to the inspiration drawn from its elder sibling. The car gets the striking LED projector lamps, which is coupled with LED DRLs and LED fog lamps. Even the tail light is LED based. Vitara Brezza comes in these exciting 9 color options, which is even the case with the Urban Cruiser. But there is a bit of a difference. Now, there is a new addition, which is the rustic brown color. It is really looking very striking. And the sizzling red color of the Brezza is not there in the new Urban Cruiser. The dual tone color combinations have also been revised. The black and brown color combination of the Urban Cruiser's cabin makes it more livelier than those of the Vitara Brezza. Rest of the interior remains the same, that is, you get the 7-inch touch infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, automatic climate control, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, and for comfort and convenience, you get armrest on both front and the rear seats. There is even a shopping hook on the back side of the driver's side seat. The boot space remains the same at 328 liters, and you will also get the convenience of the 60-40 split seats. The car will be seen with the same 1.5 liter K-series petrol engine, which produces 105 brake horsepower with a maximum torque of 138 Newton meters. This sub 4 meter SUV will be available in both manual and automatic transmission, wherein the automatic transmission will be equipped with a lithium-ion battery with an integrated starter generator. The standard safety features will include EBD, ABS and dual airbags. The 16 inches diamond cut alloy wheels will be the same as that of the Brezza. Other features include the push start stop button, cruise control and automatic inside rear view mirror. The base variant of the Urban Cruiser, that is the G variant, will be definitely based on the VXI or the VXI Plus variant. As in the Urban Cruiser, automatic climate control is standard across all the variants, whereas in the Brezza, it starts from the VXI variant. The booking for the Urban Cruiser have been commenced from today for Rs 11,000, and you can book one from the dealer or from Toyota's online website. The link of the website is in the description. The Urban Cruiser will be coming with the warranty of 3 years or 1 lakh kilometers, whichever is earlier. And if priced right, it will be a better deal than the Vitara Brezza. Do like, share and comment as to what do you think of the all-new Urban Cruiser. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such reviews. Thanks for watching.